Hello and welcome everybody to Homework Helper for section 3.3. What we're going to be doing for this one is we start off by trying to find the point of intersection. So it's kind of like what we did yesterday. Yesterday it was with two lines that we graphed, but now we're going to be using tables. So we're going to have f of x and g of x, and we're going to try to circle the point of intersection. So what this means is instead of looking visually where they cross, we have to understand that the point, if it's the same point, that's where they're crossing. So let's go ahead and get started. It doesn't tell us what x's to put in here, but you know, I like 1s and 2s and 0s and all that sort of thing. I like to start with like a -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And let's hope to get there. So -2 plus 2 would be 0, -1 plus 2 would be 1. And we can already see the pattern, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll do the same thing here and hope for the best. -2, that's me, -4. -1 would be -2, 0 would be 0, 2, and 4. Cool. Got it. So, let's see, where does it cross? I don't see where it crosses. This would be 3 and, oh, there it is, 2 and 4. Aha, I found it. Bing. So that's where it is. Easy enough. And so that's pretty much all you have to do for these is put it in, see where we have the same point, right? Because this means that 2, 4, so this means 2 and 4, so that means at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. However these lines look, this is where they cross here. Easy enough. Next, Reno, is it wants us to determine if these are true or false when we're talking about attributes of linear and exponential functions. Not too bad. All linear functions are increasing. No. Look, here's a linear function and it's decreasing. So this would be false. And so you just kind of go through and answer those questions. And then finally, we're talking about domain of a function in interval notation. So when I look at this, I look at the furthest negative x it could be, and it goes on forever. So that's actually going to be negative infinity. And then the highest is going to be positive infinity. That's it. Done. Done, done, done. When I look at something like this, though, this is segmented. I look at the domain here. This is a -4. This is 0. So I know my domain goes from -4 to 0. Takes a break, picks up from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Picks up again at 4, ends at 5. So from 4 to 5, let's put those in brackets. And so this would be my domain. Right, those are all the possible x's, from 4 to 0, from 1 to 3, and from 4 to 5. That counts for all of them. Okay, and so that's it for that. Easy enough. Good luck.